Welcome. T-Mobile has introduced 3 new devices under its REVVL brand: the REVVL 6X 5G, REVVL 6X Pro 5G, and the REVVL TAB 5G. Let's dive into their specifications and pricing details. REVVL TAB 5G. T-Mobile's first-ever tablet, the REVVL TAB 5G, features an unknown MediaTek chipset with an octa-core CPU, 5G connectivity, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB expandable storage, a 10.36-inch LCD touchscreen, 8-megapixel rear camera with a 2-megapixel depth sensor, 8-megapixel front camera, and a 7040 mAh battery, charging fully in 3 hours. The tablet runs Android 13, has a fingerprint sensor, measures 247.6 x 157.1 x 7.85 mm, and costs $199.99. It's also available for free with a tablet line activation through monthly bill credits. Now, REVVL 6X 5G. The REVVL 6X 5G features a 6.517-inch LCD screen, MediaTek Dimensity 705G SoC, 4 GB RAM, 128 GB expandable storage, a 4500 mAh battery, charging 50% in 54 minutes, triple rear cameras, 50-megapixel main, 2-megapixel macro, 2-megapixel depth, and an 8-megapixel front camera. The phone runs Android 13, has a fingerprint sensor, and costs $199. It can also be obtained for free with a trade-in, or by adding a line on select plans through monthly bill credits, while the REVVL 6X Pro 5G offers a 6.82-inch LCD touchscreen, MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC, 6 GB RAM, 256 GB expandable storage, quad rear cameras, 50-megapixel main, 5-megapixel ultrawide, 2-megapixel macro, 2-megapixel depth, a 16-megapixel front camera, and a 5000 mAh battery, charging fully in 150 minutes. The phone has a fingerprint sensor, Android 13, and comes in Moonlit Ocean color. It's priced at $229 or available for $50 with a trade-in or for free with the addition of a line on select plans through monthly bill credits. All devices can be purchased through installment plans over 2 years and will be available from August 24th at T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile.